I'd woken up at 6:30 and I'd got up out of bed. I'd had a shower and I'd thought of the day ahead. Then I'd made my breakfast. It had been toast and tea. When I'd left home, it had been 7:30. I'd caught the bus to work, I'd gone by car, I'd ridden my bike, but it had been too far. I'd got to work at 8:30. I'd had lunch from 1 till 2. I'd left work at 6 in the evening. There'd been a lot to do. When I'd got home, I'd read the newspaper and I'd watched TV. At 7:15 I'd had my dinner. I'd been very hungry. After dinner I'd walked the dog. We'd gone to the park. I'd let it off its lead and it'd run around in the dark. When I'd got home, I'd watched more TV and then I'd listen to some music on the stereo until I'd been sleepy, until I'd been sleepy.